Hi, it's Stuart at Preston Audi. Just a quick walk around video of this fantastic Audi A1 Sportback that we have here. This is the contrast edition and it's the 35 TFSI Petrol. That's a 1.5 petrol manual. Finished in Python yellow, and you also get the Mythos Black contrast roof. Black grills, black badges and the LED daytime running lights. These superb Audi Sport diamond turned alloy wheels and the additional black side trims. Inside it's half leather, half alcantara seats, 6-speed manual gearbox, air conditioning and then the touchscreen control. Car doesn't come with sat-nav as standard now, but they are wired for Apple CarPlay and the Android equivalent, so you can just send everything from your phone directly to that screen, including navigation. And you can see there, this car has only covered 226 miles. They'll have the digital dashboard. On the outside to the rear, you can see you get the privacy glass. And again, sporty theme at the back, deeper bumpers, black badging, and split fold rear seats. So the contrast edition really does look superb. Look in the back as well, this car's only done a few miles, but the back seats are like brand new. Isofix points in the rear and 3 3-point safety belts. Black mirror caps. This car is for sale now at $23,379. You do get balance of the manufacturer's warranty, which is 3 years. If you take it on an Audi PCP, you can either elect for a low rate 5.9% APR or 10.9% APR, and you get 2 free services. If you'd like to organise a test drive or a tailored finance quote, please give us a call. Preston Audi 01772 730000. Thank you.